Hello everyone, I am Dattatray Nikam. Welcome you all on our channel eFunda for new day, new topic. And our today's topic is a continuation series of a compressor, that is a compressor and their types part 2. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel eFunda and watch all the videos created and published as a separate playlist for each discipline. And if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, eFunda team has created a membership option. You have to just click join button and understand different types of membership provided by eFunda team and enjoy their benefits. So let's begin with our today's topic, that is a compressor and their types part 2. Moving on to overview of a compressor. A compressor is a mechanical device that increases the pressure of a gas by reducing its volume. One can refer to that machine for understanding how the compressor look like. It is widely used in industries such as oil and gas, petrochemical, HVAC, power plant and manufacturing and many more industries. Compressed gas is used for processes like pneumatic tools, gas transportation, refrigeration and energy storage. One can refer to the picture below where the different types of compressors are shown. Here the classification are positive type and dynamic type. Positive type is further divided into scroll, reciprocating, rotary type. Rotary is further classified into lobe, liquid ring, screw and vane, whereas the dynamic is divided into centrifugal and axial type. Also the different parts of a compressor and their types along with their subtypes are mentioned for easy understanding. We will see the details of a positive type and a dynamic type as well as their types in this video. Positive displacement type compressor definition: compressor that increase the pressure of a gas by reducing its volume using mechanical displacement of a chamber. For better understanding, one can refer to the picture where the working principles are defined. Key components are piston, cylinder, then the connector with the inlet connection. Here basically a gas drawn into a chamber of a fixed volume, then a mechanical element such as a piston, screw, vane or lobes reduces the chamber volume. As volume decreases, gas pressure increase. The compressed gas is then discharged when it reaches to the desired pressure. This is how the working of a positive displacement compressor, and we'll see the types further going ahead. Applications: oil and gas plant for gas boosting and a processing gas compression, refrigeration and air conditioning system, pneumatic tools and a workshop air supply, then chemical and petrochemical industries, mining and drilling rigs. Advantages: high pressure capability up to thousands of a psi. Second, suitable for intermittent duty cycle. Third, can handle a wide range of pressures and flow rates. Next, better efficiency for smaller volume flow application. Fifth, can compress gases with the help or a wide range of a molecular weight. Moving on to the disadvantage: more moving parts, that means higher maintenance. Second, lower flow rates compared to centrifugal compressor, larger footprint for high capacity application, pulsating flow, that is especially in reciprocating type, required dampeners. Last one is the higher noise level. This is how the positive displacement compressors are covered. Positive displacement compressors, as this work by trapping a fixed amount of a gas and mechanically reducing its volume to increase pressure. Based on that, there are various types are there. We will discuss their types in brief. First, reciprocating compressor working uses a piston and cylinder to compress gas. One can refer to the picture where pistons and connecting arms are shown. Example, this type of a compressors are used in CNG filling station, small workshops and a process plant for their high pressure air application. Second, a rotary screw compressor working two meshing helical screw trap and compress gas. One can refer to the rotary venom screw where two screw compressor helical traps are shown and in between that the gas is being compressed. Example, used in industrial plant for continuous compressed air supply in assembly line. Third is the rotary vane compressor. One can refer to the picture where working uses a rotor with adjustable vane which traps and compress its gas. This is how the rotors are being used to trap and compress the gas. Example, used in automotive service stations and low pressure industrial applications. This is how the positive displacement compressors are being tested and used for various applications depends on the need of the customer. Dynamic compressors definition: a dynamic compressor increase air or gas pressure by imparting velocity, that is a kinetic energy, to the gas using a rotating element using impeller or blades. One can refer to the picture where all these impeller housing gas intake is shown. Then converting this velocity into pressure in a diffuser. This is how the dynamic compressor works, or it is a defined working principle. Gas entered the compressor inlet at a low velocity, then rotating impellers blade accelerate the gas, increasing their velocity inside the housing. A diffuser or a stator slows down the gas flow and then it getting converted into velocity to the pressure. A continuous flow, unlike a positive displacement compressor, they don't trap and release fixed volume of the gas. Then the application of this type of a compressors are gas transmission pipeline, that is a natural gas, petrochemical plant, power plant, gas turbine, steam turbine, auxiliary air, etc. Air separation unit, HVAC system for large buildings, and then turbochargers in automotive engines. It has some advantages as well. High flow rate capacity, compact design for large volume of a gas, then continuous smooth flow without pulsations, lower maintenance compared to a reciprocating compressor for large scale application. It also comes with some disadvantages: less efficient for small capacities, high initial cost, performance sensitive to changes in inlet condition, that means gas intake, requires high rotational speed and precise manufacturing. Surge and a stall can occur at off design conditions. So this is how the dynamic compressor working and their application advantages disadvantages are discussed. We'll see their types and their working. Dynamic compressors, as this increase gas velocity with an impeller and convert velocity into pressure, as you can see into the picture, where the suction inlet pipe and outlet discharge pipe with the help of impeller and a compressor housing, it performs the conversion of a velocity into the pressure. Types are: first, centrifugal compressor. One can refer to the picture where rotor, teeth, then inlet port are shown working. High speed impeller accelerates the gas and a diffuser slows it down to increase pressure. Example: use in a large process plant, gas pipeline and a power station. Second, axial flow compressor. One can refer to the picture where inlet, stator and outlet is shown, where working gas flows parallel to the shaft through multiple rotating and stationary blades, which increasing pressure in stages. Example: used in jet engines, gas turbine and high capacity air separation plant. This is how we have tried to cover the dynamic compressor with their types. Comparison of a compressor. We will see their comparisons with respect to type of compressor, category, working principle, pressure range, capacity range, application and example. First one is the reciprocating compressor. Category: positive displacement, working piston moves back and forth in a cylinder to compress gas. Pressure range: high up to 6000 psi or 414 bar. Capacity range: low to medium. Application: CNG station, process plant, refinery, etc. Example: CNG filling unit. Rotary screw compressor, a positive displacement category, working with a two helical screw rotate, trapping and compressing a gas. Range medium up to 250 psi and 17 bar. Capacity range medium to high. Application: industrial plants, manufacturing lines, food industry. Ingersoll Rand screw compressor. Next is the rotary vane compressor, positive displacement type, rotor with a sliding vane traps gas and a reduced volume is the way of a working. Then the pressure range is a low to medium up to 150 psi, that is a 10 bar. Capacity range is low to medium. Applications: automotive workshops, low pressure air system. Hydro vane compressor is the example of this type of a compressor. Centrifugal compressor is a dynamic type, working with a high speed impeller increases velocity and diffuser converts it to the pressure. Range is a medium to high up to 1200 psi and 83 bar. Capacity range is high. Then the application: oil and gas pipelines, petrochemical plants. And Elliott centrifugal compressor is the example. The last one is the axial flow compressor, that is a dynamic type and working with a multiple rotor stator blade stages, which increases pressure gradually. Pressure range is medium to high. Capacity range is very high. Applications are jet engine, gas turbines, air separation plant, etc. Example: GE axial compressor. This is how today's topic we have covered the different types of a compressor and their types with working as well. And for simplified version, we have provided the comparison table where all the different types of a compressor from positive displacement and a dynamic displacement type compressors are being evaluated, and comparison table is provided for better understanding. With this, we are concluding on our today's topic. Thanks for watching our channel eFunda, where you will get to know the fundamentals. So that is our tagline: get your fundamentals right, where we do identify the needs, then we evaluate the need, then define plan for a particular need, and then accordingly execute the plan. This is what we are creating our
technical videos so that it will help every individual to get their fundamentals right. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get the latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel eFunda. Also, you can follow us on our Instagram page and do follow our Facebook page as well. So keep watching our channel eFunda for new day, new topic.